up? I'm Maithili and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and I know it has been so long since I posted a new video on my channel. It's been 3 months. I hope you guys missed me. I absolutely missed filming, planning, editing, every single thing that goes behind making a video. But yeah, I'm finally back and I will talk to you guys in just a bit. But आज मैंने just phone उठाया है and I've just started vlogging. I was like, let me just show you how everything is going. Also, आज धनतेरस है, so a very happy धनतेरस to everyone. Let's just quickly begin with today's vlog. So अभी बज रहे हैं 6-7 and I have something that I'm planning to do today. वैसे आज धनतेरस ऑलरेडी हो गया है तो मुझे फटाफट से स्पीड में ये काम खत्म करना है. तो चलो, I'll take you with me and we'll paint some diyas. I don't know, कभी कभी क्रिएटिव वाला एस्पेक्ट बाहर आ जाता है तो मन करता है कि कुछ करूँ. सो इस बार हम दियास पेंट करने वाले हैं. Let's go. Okay, so this is what the setup looks like. So I have like 6 diyas. यहाँ पे 3 and then this is another type. So there are 2 types of diyas that I have. ये so हम पेंट करने वाले हैं. I have all the required equipment ready. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. I'm thinking of using this as the first color. These are some acrylic colors that I have and these are the metallic ones. Let's go. It's time for a quick update, guys. So basically ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है the diyas. So one of the type of diyas that I've painted are these and the other one is this. Now I just got this feeling that this is a very dark color, so I'm gonna like lighten it up by using this. But this looks perfect. I love teal color. In case you weren't aware, I am a big fan of the color. But yeah, we're gonna continue painting. ये मैंने खाली ऊपर से पेंट किया है अभी. हमें पूरा नीचे का भी पेंट करना है. So yeah, let's go. We have the final outcome of this diya. I feel it looks very pretty and I'm gonna do the same for like the other ones and then बाकी तीनों भी paint हो चुके हैं. Now all I have to do is just decorate them. Okay guys, in other news, हमारे पास ये आज lights आई है, पापा ने मंगवाई है and this is in the form of like diyas. So these are like diya LEDs and I'm supposed to figure out how to use them because I have no clue. ये actually it is come in 2 sizes and this is like a single light. So we have the bigger ones and we have the chotu diyas as well. So yeah, let's try and fix this lighting. This is a mystery. I am supposed to solve this. ये पूरा इतनी ऐसे अच्छे से tangle हो गया है and मुझे इसको detangle करना है. Look at the हालत. But okay, let's quickly do it because I need to like put this up today itself. आज धनतेरस हो गई है पर because आज ये light आई है तो अब हमें लगानी है. So let's do it. And we needed 3 people to hold this light and put it up. And this is Mama's reaction after putting up the lights. So we did not have proper hooks to put these lights up and somehow we did some Indian jugaad and managed to put them up. And I think they look very pretty. What do you guys think? Guys, हमने light white लगा दी है. Now it's time to have some dinner. So I'm having poha. पोहा एंड कोल्ड कॉफ़ी माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट कॉम्बो. तो बस मैं वो खाना खा लेती हूँ एंड देन आई डू अ चिट चैट सेश विद यू गाइज. And here we have the final result. This is what all the 6 diyas look like. I finished painting and decorating them, and I have done it after years, but trust me, it feels so good. I really enjoyed doing this, but it also took a lot of time, effort, and patience. And guys, this is the next morning. This is the Diwali wala din. So I quickly got up, got ready, and then after the puja, I sat down to make a rangoli. This is obviously a yearly ritual. I do this every single time. And yeah, this is what my rangoli looked like this year. Once I got done with making the bigger rangoli outside the house, I decided to make a mini rangoli inside as well by using just flowers to add to the charm. So after completing the mini rangoli, I decided to help Mama. She was making puris for lunch that day, and I just helped her. This is what we normally do. I like to chat with her and help her. Hi guys, it's the next day. Today is 24th of October, and wishing all of you a very, very, very happy Diwali. And I did not expect that I'll be continuing this vlog. So yeah, but I am. That's the good part. And yeah, I have already shown you that I made the rangoli. I also did a flower wala rangoli, which is one of my favorites. And bus, it's time to light the diyas because शाम के 6:30 हो गए हैं, एंड आजकल ठंडी है तो अंधेरा भी जल्दी हो जाता है. तो बस अब हम दियाज लाइट कर रहे हैं. एक्चुअली आई एम यूजिंग द वैक्स कैंडल, छोटा वाला, बिकॉज आई डू नॉट वांट टू स्पॉइल द दियाज. मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो थोड़ा और टाइम लास्ट करे. तो अब मैंने सारे दिए जला दिए हैं. अब इसको फटाफट से हम रख देंगे. लेट्स गो. And the good part about using these candles is the fact that they last for a very long time. They almost outgrow the तेल वाला दिया as well. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back क्यों बोल रही हूँ? हाँ, मतलब it's been quite some time since I filmed my last shot. So the last portion that you saw was when I wished all of you and I told you that extended family, relatives सब घर पे आ रहे हैं. So yeah, that was the last thing that I shot. Ab because at Diwali hai, to we have this. This is my favorite shake from Santushti. And guys, that was it. I enjoyed the shake and went off to sleep. So guys, I forgot to film the outro of this particular vlog, so I'm very sorry, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. But before ending, I did wanna have a chat, a very quick mini chat with you guys. So the question is that why have I been missing since the past 3 months? Why have I not been able to post videos? Because of the very simple reason that I started pursuing my MBA from the Institute of Management, Nirma University, and uske karan obviously I have not been able to film a lot, and even if I film, I do not have the time to edit and just plan videos the way I want to. I was planning to do a tour and everything, talking about my MBA life. I will do that maybe soon. Let's hope so. But I have some news to share. I will be posting a few videos, and obviously आपको दिख ही रहा होगा कि मैं कहीं पे तो अलग जगह पे हूँ. So yeah, I will be filming new videos. I will try to be consistent. I'll try to post more. But हाँ, because मैं MBA कर रही हूँ तो my days are very hectic. I do not have the time to film, edit, all of that. So I'm very sorry for that. But yeah, that was the good news that I shifted to Ahmedabad. Not shifted, but I live there in a hostel. तो इसके कारण भी ज़्यादातर I am not able to shoot. But yeah, we'll try to be more consistent and post videos on YouTube. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you did like this vlog, please make sure you give this vlog a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more of such content. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.